Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. I hope you're having a great day, and this is Wave OS. I have been using this for a week now, and now today we are going to install Project Awaken Clover 1.9 in our Poco F1. And just in case if you are curious about how this ROM is, the review of this ROM is here in the right side of the card. And trust me, this is one of the finest looking ROMs and total fluid performance, and I have been so satisfied with this ROM that I did not change another ROM for a week. So if you're interested in watching how to install and how to set the phone up, here is the video, and let's now install Project Awaken 1.9 Clover in our Poco F1 quickly. So number one thing that we always do is go to the security lock and screen lock. We set it to none, so that obviously even if you set it to swipe, that will work, but I just keep it on none, right? So now what you will do is you will go to TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time. And just in case if you're curious, the download links of the Awaken project is in that description, so do check it out there, right? So Wave OS is super great. Like, this is one of the finest looking ROM that I have ever used. And okay, for some strange reasons I am still here. Okay, let's see. I'll press the volume up and power button both at the same time for 8 to 9 seconds. When the Poco logo pops up, then we will be in the TWRP section. Okay, the Poco logo popped up, and here we can see we are on the TeamWin TWRP recovery. Now I'll quickly copy the ROM files and set up the phone. Okay, so I have already downloaded the ROM files in my laptop, and I'll be quickly copying it in the phone so that we can install the ROM further, right? So just ignore these patches here, and I'll meet you after I copy that file. So here we are. We have successfully copied the ROM files in the phone, and one thing that I forgot to mention, that you have to do a clean flash because we are migrating from another custom ROM. So we have to do a clean flash, that is format the device and do backup your data, because you might end up losing while you format the device, because this is another custom ROM. So the ROM files won't be the same, the code base won't be the same, so it might cause problems while installing it. Your phone will end it in bootloop, so it's recommended that you would do a clean flash of the ROM. Now we'll go to install section, and as you can see here, we'll find the Project Clover already written over here, right? So Awaken Beryllium, because Beryllium is the name of the phone. Now we'll click on this and we'll swipe to confirm flash, and in I believe in 4 to 5 minutes the ROM will be installed. Till that, have a look at the Android section. This is 11, and the security patch is of 5th of July this time, so obviously brand new security patch of the latest month. And obviously the device is Beryllium, and as you can see the build date is of yesterday, that is day before yesterday, that's 9/10/2021. So I'll quickly fast forward the video from here and quickly set up the phone, and I'll meet you on the boot screen or on the lock screen. Since this is a GApps build, so might take 5 minutes to set the phone up for the first time. So meet you on the lock screen. Here we are. As you can see, done is written over here. That means we have successfully installed it. Now we'll simply click on reboot, and let's see the logo for Poco, and very soon the logo of Awaken Project 1.9 Clover. So after this, I'll quickly fast forward the video. So here is the logo of Awaken OS, and as you can see, that's how it looks like. I'll quickly set the phone up and I'll meet you on the boot screen. Hey, have a look. We have installed Awaken Project 1.9. This is how the boot screen is going to look like. The home screen is going to look like when you first installed it. Number one thing that you can see, you don't have a Gcam, definitely, because this is a stock camera. Let's swipe up for the first time. As you can see, you don't have any bloatware, obviously, although there are some like FM app, a safety app from Google, a wallpaper app from Google, and a voice search. Let's see if we can uninstall it. Okay, so this is definitely included in the ROM itself, so you cannot uninstall it. So other than that, we have a Google Photos already available here, although you can uninstall all those. So let's quickly pull down the notification panel, and this looks absolutely amazing. The green tint is, I mean the green accent is just amazing. Let's see what else do we have in the quick setting style. We do have thermal profiles, that's a big yes. We have a gaming mode, great. We have an FPS meter as well, so we'll tap it. We have ambient displays, but our Poco have LCD, so not interested. Compass, definitely great thing. Sound search, now definitely you can, I think, search just like how Shazam works, so you can do that as well. Let's see what is immersive mode and AOD, and this is a lot of other stuff. Dark theme is here, so okay, we'll just see this feature later. And number one thing, let's go to the quick settings and have a look at the about phone section and see what do we have here. So we have Android 11, Project Awaken 1.9, and the Awaken code name is Clover, that I have been blabbering from the start of the video. So the kudos to the maintainer, Sai Kiran, you're amazing, and thanks for providing such quick updates on the ROMs. So let's go back and let's go to the display settings. Do we have something different here? Definitely the interface looks super clean, as you can see. Very minimalistic icons, as you can see, you know, very outlined and very minimalistic, and absolutely loving it. Other than this, we have dark theme here and very usual features, but definitely with the taste of Awaken project, as you can see. So let's go to the security settings, and before that let me install the safety net and see if it passes by default or not, so we can test it later in the video. So let's go to the security settings now, and what do we have here? So we have fingerprint unlock, we have a face unlock as well, and definitely an app locker as well. So now you can quickly lock apps in your phone. Let's set it up. For example, I set a pin 1212, next 1212, and I want to lock an app. Okay, I'll lock the calculator, right? So let's go to the calculator now. Super amazing. So app lock is definitely working fine. And what else do we are having here other than that? Okay, so here we have face unlock. Let's set the face unlock as well. So I'll quickly glance at my phone and let's see how, yeah, the face unlock is set up. Done. Now let's try to open the phone up. Okay, I locked it, unlocked it, locked it, unlocked it. So it's working like a boss, I believe. It's a little bit slower, you know. It takes around 1 second, or you can say 0.75 seconds to unlock. Other than that, for the security enthusiast, the phone is not encrypted by default. So if that's a problem for you, please have a look. So it doesn't come encrypted out of the box. So that's the thing that people are worried about sometimes. So let's go to the safety net and see if it passes by default or not. So the safety net passes by default. All these things will be in the description as well. So I'll also be doing a benchmark on this app, I mean this ROM. So if you're interested, do subscribe to the channel, and I will be posting another video maybe in the evening to let you people know how this ROM is in the performing perspective. Other than that, we were having some looks at here. So this is the compass. It's showing us the direction, working great. We have thermal profiles. Okay, we have screen recorder here as well. Other than that, let's see what is full immersive nav bar. I don't know what exactly this is. So I don't know. This was something I'm definitely not getting it. What exactly this is trying to do? It's not changing anything. So definitely something related with the nav bar. If you don't have a pill here, that might work. So other than that, sound search must be working. I don't know. Although it's not that. Okay, this is the Google sound search. Okay, so if I play a song, that might end in a copyright issue, so I won't be doing that. Do check it out and let me know in the comment section if it works or not, or I'll just post it in the description later after recording the video, right? So other than that, let's see what else do we have here. We have gaming mode, and we turn on the gaming mode. Gaming mode is disabled in settings. Okay, somehow you have to enable it, and let's go to the settings and search gaming. Search gaming here and gaming mode, and here we have to enable the gaming mode from here. This will block the brightness, disable automatic brightness, block the notifications, ringer won't work in that, and gaming mode notification will also change to toasts and notifications, right? So that's how it will work. And that's all for this particular ROM. And okay, there are something called signature spoofing, so there are aggressive battery options as well. So a lot of options going on around. Do check it out and explore more and know more. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested in watching more videos like this, many videos are coming up. For example, I'll be posting a video about ColtOS, about the latest ArrowOS, and another Fork Lineage, and many other custom ROMs are coming up. So definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.